Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
And the weather's open for business too. We had a lot of it today with temperatures ranging from the 70s along the coast now. Still 90 in George West and 91 in Falfurrias. It's 94 out in Hebbronville. Here's a look at the winds. Southeasterly at 21 miles an hour with 16 in Ingleside. So the winds picked up today. That slowed down our high temperature here in town because of the mitigating effects of the slightly cooler Gulf of Mexico waters. Future winds show that it stays breezy here overnight. And because of that, the fog won't be as bad tomorrow morning. It'll just be light compared to this morning. And then it gets windy here tomorrow afternoon. Notice the sustained winds of 20, which will gust over 30 in the afternoon. And really windy here on Friday with sustained winds of about 20 to 25 with gusts of 35 to 40. On Saturday, though, the winds do come down ahead of our front, which is, again, just entering the coastal bend at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That'll be preceded by a few isolated showers, but not many and not enough. Here's the visibility forecast, 1 to 2 miles across the region, perhaps by 2 to 3 a.m. And then around daybreak, about 1 to 4 miles. So again, nothing we can't handle, and most of us aren't driving anywhere at that time of the day anyway. 83 degrees right now, 72 at midnight. Winds stay on the breezy side, stays mostly cloudy, and our lows summer-like in the 70s for low temperatures. Here's the culprit. High pressure, still dry air around us. And again, that's promoting that low cloud deck late at night and early in the morning as the temperature cools to the dew point. Jet stream is active here. This low is going to dig south, and that's going to cause more wind with surface low pressure deepening because of it out ahead of it across parts of Wyoming and into North Texas. Very warm and windy with that going on. So as the front and the low come across, the low weakens right here, moves northeast, so we are left with a weak Pacific front, so it's not going to really cool down that much with this system. A little bit, but not much, and that's why it's not going to generate any big rains for us. The next system behind it's the same way on Monday. Again, it'll be rain that day, but not very much in the coastal bend. Low clouds in the morning giving way to afternoon sunshine except along the immediate coast. On Friday, more of the same. Lots of clouds starting out, but lots of sunshine in the afternoon, including Padre and Mustang Island in spite of the wind. 72 at 7 in the morning, 84 at noon, and 87 at 5 p.m. And the highs tomorrow reach 92 degrees here, up from 87 today, 80 in Port Aransas, and 99 smoking in Freer. All right, we heard from Rudy Torres today. He had 95 out in San Diego. There's the front on Saturday with just isolated showers, hot and humid out ahead of it, and windy the next 2 days. Then more seasonal here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A few little showers on Monday, but not many. Lows will go no lower than 59, and the highs next week will mainly be in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Katia?